how you can save an image as PDF in CamScanner. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open the CamScanner app on your phone. So now you see the main screen. Then tap on the Import Images option. After that, choose the image or images you want. You can pick them from your gallery or any folder on your device. Once you've picked your picture, it will show in CamScanner. Now tap on the Share button at the bottom, and then select Share as PDF. Once you do that, you'll see options like WhatsApp, email, and more. So now, choose Save to Local to keep the PDF on your phone. After that, open your File Manager or Files app. Now, tap on Phone or Internal Storage, and open the Download folder. Then scroll down until you find the CamScanner folder. And once you're inside, you'll see the PDF file you just made. And that's it. That's how you can save an image as PDF in CamScanner.